What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play GFY by Machine Gun Kelly and Black Bear. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 different chords that you just pick throughout the entire song. If you need the guitar tab, I have put a link for one in the video description, as well as if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find those in the free ebook in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord we need is going to be a C sharp power chord. You're going to put your index finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string. Then we're going to need this version of a G sharp. You're going to put your index finger on the 4th fret of the low E string. Your ring finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the A string, and your middle finger is going to go on the 5th fret of the G string. And technically, if you add your pinky on the 6th fret of the D and bar, that's your G sharp. But we're just going to use E, A, and G for that chord. Next up, we're going to go C minor. It's going to be your index finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the B string. And for here, you're just picking A, D, and B. And then finally, all the way down to an F minor. But you're going to put your index finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 9th fret of the B string. Those are the only strings you're picking here as well. If you add your pinky on the 10th fret of the G, that gives you your full F minor, but you're only picking A, D, B. Once you get your chords down, you just need your picking pattern. It's going to be pretty much the same thing for every single chord. Starting on the C sharp, you're going to pick the strings that you're holding down. You're picking those A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D, G, A, D. Then go to your G sharp here, and you're picking the same way, except it's E, A, E, A, G. E, A, G, E, A, G, E, A. Go to your C minor, pick the exact same way, A, D, B. A, D, B, A, D, B, A, D. And then to your F minor, pick the exact same way. A, D, B, A, D, B, A, D. And that entire thing just repeats. So I'll play through the whole thing very, very slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music. Also, don't forget to check the video descriptions for a free ebook and a free capo. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.